Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to log someone out of your Google account. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first we're gonna open a browser. You can use whichever browser that you'd like as long as it can access google.com, and type in this link, myaccount.google.com. Just tap go and you will be asked to log in. Just go ahead and log in, and once you've logged in you will be transferred to this page, which is your account. And to log someone out of your Google account, you're just gonna head to security, and you can do that by dragging on the setup option right below the Google account, the word Google account. You're just gonna drag it to the left until you see security. Once you've seen that, you're just gonna go ahead and tap security, and you will be transferred to the security page. And here on the security page, you're just gonna scroll down for a little bit and look for the your devices category. And once you've seen that, you're just gonna tap on the manage all devices on the bottom part of that category, and you will be transferred to the list of the devices that logged in your account. And you just need to scroll and see if there is a device that is not your device and you'd like to log it out, just like this one. I'm just gonna tap on this computer, and once you tap it, you will be transferred to this screen. And as you can see, there is a sound out button. You can just tap that to sign your account out. Once you tap it, you will be seeing this pop up, just a confirmation if you'd like to sign out your Google account on this device. And if you're sure, you just tap on sign out again, and you will be notified that it is done. And just like what Google said, some apps might still have access. As for you've given the device or that computer access to that Google account, just type in OK. But also you can manage the app access. And as you can see, it is now not on the list. And if there are multiple devices or computers that your account has been logged in, you can just select them one by one and log it out the same way. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.